What is going on, YouTube? I am glad to have this thing back out here. This is my Outcast 8S. I stretched it on a Creighton chassis, so it's pretty much Creighton now, but still got my Outcast body. This is an unbreakable body, the Chevy body. But let's look at what's underneath this, guys. Basher Queen built me this custom carbon fiber before she is no longer doing her thing, but thank you, Kimberly, for that. But let's see what's underneath this truck here. And boom, there you have it, guys. This is a full Vidavon build. Well, you've seen it before, but shock towers, bulkheads, chassis, all the bracing, 800 kV, max 5. You got two 5,000 milliamp Spectrum batteries in here, and we're about to rip this thing and see what she does. So without further ado, let's get in there. We got lit decals, we got my merch on there, 3DRC, wing mount, front and back, stock tires and arms and shocks, and Arrma skin underneath of that beautiful Vidavon chassis, motor mounts from Vidavon, everything. So let's get out here and rip it, see what it does. We'll be right back. They're always messing my piles up here, always. I can't ever jump nothing right because it's always got new piles in front of it. Sounds like excuses to me though. Oh, that's upside down. All right, y'all, so it is wet, nasty out here, and I'm trying to find a good spot to hit this thing, and it ain't working out for me. Maybe I can hit it from over here like I used to. And it's dead. And it was hitting, all it needed was plugged back in. Base, boy. Beast. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, what? It took out my tree. Sissy. A little tree at that. Oh. Oh, that broke something. That sounded brutal. It did break something. Oh man, that was brutal hit. What did that snap? Oh, it snapped a whole shock. Boys and girls, we broke a shock. Oh boy, what did we break here? Oh no, we broke the top shock rod end. Oh, bent the hell out of the top bone. Look at that bend, boys. Oh man. Well, I can tell you now, a Vidavon chassis held up straight as an arrow. All the bulkheads are good. All the drivetrains Vidavon. Only thing it did here, guys, is we've been a big old Vidavon drive shaft. Bowed that bad boy, as you see here. And other than that, it broke the eyelet on the top of the shock. But other than that, boy, she's good. That ain't really broke. That's just cosmetic stuff. Other than that, everything else seems to be good. Front end's good. Oh yeah, she's good, boys and girls. That's it, just a little damage, but enough to take me out the game today. So if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out.